David here, weekly week look. Today is Sunday 15th of July, 11 o'clock in the morning, market close, looking at the November 2018 UK wheat chart. We've got the yearly chart in front of us for monthly candles. As usual, we've got the 60 SMA on here, 30 and the 10. We're above all those. If you count these green candles now, we're now in the fourth month. We've got a nice trend going, good size. Closing back up here at 69.50 on this monthly candle, looking positive through 65. Let's pop down into the monthly near term contract. We can identify these four green candles here, good positive candles. That one was a hammer, giving good support there down at 162, all looking positive. Moving mouse up there. Let's pop down into the weekly. Weekly, you can see that we had a slight negative candle here on the weekly, closing at 69.50, high of 72. This stellar green candle here was the start of the month, went from 63 up to 73, £10 a ton. Let's pop down into the daily, see what's happened this week, and see why we've had this red candle take up. Here on the daily, I've just marked on here, move my mouse over this here so you can see which one we're talking about. We can see here that we test this swing high here. We've all been looking at the 163, 164 was my target. We had a pullback here back in June. If you take this high here of 163, and the market fell back 5%, and then we rolled up £10 a ton. So let's have a look, see how this one compares. We had a high here, 173. We've now fallen exactly 5%, back to 164. This was tested on Thursday, and we bounced 2 days. Obviously, that was a closed Thursday, and we had a positive day Friday. So we closed at 169.60. Whole number that coming into play there, 170, obviously crucial to get close either way, which way between or whatever. How do I judge this at the moment? I feel we've had a obviously good start to the month, £10 a ton rise fairly quickly. This is the monthly close back in at 173. What have we achieved? We've gone greater than 3% over, so that way I would take as a confirmation on a price basis that we've cleared this monthly candle, and indications are we're still a possibility looking at closing up on the month. We've had a pullback. The pullback has been slightly greater than I would like to see in a very bullish market. For a pullback sort of to get going again, I would like to see it come back 3%, which would have come back to test 170. That would have held, and then we could have pushed on higher. So we've fallen back to 5%. I feel that possibly now we've got to do some backfill, as similar we did in the end of June here, where we had 4 or 5 days where we went sideways. That's what I would like, most likely to see now around this 170 level. May even fall back down to test this 67, may even come back down to test 164. But we've got a markers in place. 164 is now a level that we don't want to see broken, and if we see tested on a daily basis, we want to see it held above that. Swing high, we're clear here. We can easily see 173, so that's no problem. So for this week, I would look for sort of sideways action. I'm looking for a time confirmation on this sort of breakout here on a monthly basis, and I put that coming in on the 20th of July. So we've got another week and a bit to go at the moment. My target still doesn't change. First target here is 180. Then obviously we just go away and tend 190 above it. So let's see what happens next week. Look for some backfill. If we don't see this, if we go back up and take out the 173, then we're away. We probably could see a quick rise to 180. But at the moment, looking for this to backfill around this level till the 20th of July. Thanks for watching, and I'll update this time next week.